They say Kochi is where the world meet India for the first time, but today it's where the world comes to imagine. वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल एंड मैं हूँ कोची में एंड मैं आपको देने वाली परफेक्ट आइटनरी व्हाट टू डू व्हाट टू सी एंड व्हाट टू स्किप मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली ऐसे कुछ चीज़ें जो आपको लिटरली स्किप करनी चाहिए बिकॉज इट्स ओवर हाइप। तो मैं आपको परफेक्ट आइटनरी देने वाली हूँ, तो लेट्स जस्ट गेट इनटू इट। हाउ टू रीच कोची। आप ट्रेन ले सकते हो, फ्लाइट ले सकते हो, इजी कन्वीनियंट जैसे होगा आपको आप वो चूज कर सकते हैं। दिस एंटायर सिटी हैज बीन ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू इंडियाज बिगेस्ट आर्ट कार्निवल, द कोची Muziris Biennale. We are diving into sixth edition curated by legendary Nikhil Chopra. It's titled For the Time Being, and it's all about the body, performance, and living the moment. This festival started in December 2025 and it's going to be end in March 31st, 2026. First things first, Aspen House. This is the heart of Biennale. It's 178-year-old British heritage building. The vibe here is insane. Per person tickets are 200 rupees. You can buy them at the gate or skip the line by booking on the official website. Get here at 11 am sharp. By 1 pm, the Kerala sun is no joke and the crowd gets thick. You need at least 3 hours just for this one venue. Lunch break. We are at Kashi Art Cafe. You have to try the chocolate cake here. It's basically a ritual for anyone visiting the Biennale. It's the perfect spot to sit and process all the art you just saw. And to be very honest, this is my review about chocolate cake. How is the cake?
It's good.
Like good wala good or like normal wala?
Normal good.
Ah,
Just
क्योंकि
consume.
पता नहीं hype की है फिर इसकी. I don't think so. It's special or something. It's like normal brown.
Oh, I didn't mean to say it's good. It's okay.
I mean, like, yeah. Our next stop is Paper House. Paper House is beautifully restored 16th century's warehouse that serves as a multi-purpose creative space during the festival. After exploring Paper House for the sunset, take a Kochi Water Metro. It's the first of its kind in India. For 50 rupees, you get an air-conditioned silent boat ride across the backwaters, and it's the best way to see the scale of Kochi port. And also, you can enjoy the sunset on the metro. At night, you can watch Kathakali dance show in Fort Kochi. The dramatic makeup, elaborate costume, and expressive storytelling make it one of the most unforgettable cultural experience in Kerala.
मानुष
6 hours later.
Start your day the Kerala way. What is this appam, right?
Yeah, that is.
This is appam and
This is idiyappam.
idiyappam. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Pro tip: do not haggle with rickshaws. Use Uber for fixed prices. Our day's first stop is Anand Warehouse. This is where the massive, heavy-duty installation lives. It's a gritty, it's a dusty, and the most important, authentic Biennale experience. इसके साथ हमने बहुत सारे बिनाले कवर किए. ये है उसका रोड मैप. आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं.
about is every time there is a political procession, he would pull me.
पूरा दिन बिनाले एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद हम बहुत थक गए थे, तो हमने हमारा डे यही खत्म।
6 hours later.
डे 3 हमने स्टार्ट किया एट द फेमस मोका आर्ट कैफे, द परफेक्ट स्पॉट फॉर द रिलैक्स्ड ब्रेकफास्ट, ग्रेट कॉफी, कोजी वाइब। Apart from the art, there are so many more to explore, like the charming lanes of Jewtown and the historic Pardesi Singong. यहाँ विजिट करने के बाद we explored Matanjeri Palace, also known as Dutch Palace, where beautiful Kerala murals and royal history brings the past to life. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The Chinese fishing nets. They look iconic in the photos, especially at the sunset, but listen to me. It is a tipping trap. Fishermen will invite you to pull the nets with them for the photo op. Once you do, they will demand 500 rupees or even 1000 rupees per person. It gets awkward very fast. My advice: take your photos from the beach or the walkway. Appreciate them from 20 foot away and keep walking. Your wallet will thank you. Kochi isn't just warehouse. If you need a beach day, skip the Fort Kochi beach. It's too rocky and crowded. You can visit Cherai beach. It's 25 km away but worth it. There are also many beautiful churches you can visit around Fort Kochi, each with its own history and Colombic charm. 3 days in Kochi is a fever dream of spice, salt and the world-class art. It's one of the few places in the India that feels like it's living in 300 centuries at once. Remember, Binale ends March 31st, so get your tickets now. That's it for this vlog. Are you coming for the art or the fish curry? I will see you in the next one. Bye. Take care.